Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go jogging every day.
Do you like jogging?
Yes, it's my favorite exercise.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise every morning.
What time do you usually exercise?
Around 6:30 a.m.
Where do you usually jog?
I usually jog in the park.
Do you exercise alone?
Sometimes, but I enjoy exercising with friends.
Why do you exercise?
To stay healthy and fit.
Do you enjoy morning walks?
Yes, they make me feel relaxed.
What's your favorite exercise?
Jogging is my favorite.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
How long do you exercise?
About 45 minutes.
Do you run every day?
Yes, unless it's raining.
Do you like outdoor exercise?
Yes, I love fresh air.
Is exercise important to you?
Yes, it's part of my daily routine.
Do you stretch before jogging?
Yes, I always do.
Do you listen to music while running?
Yes, it keeps me motivated.
What's the best time to exercise?
I think early morning is best.
Do you feel better after exercising?
Yes, I feel energetic.
Do you exercise on weekends?
Yes, I never miss it.
Can you run long distances?
Yes, I can run 5 kilometers.
Do you like walking or running?
I prefer running.
What's your fitness goal?
I want to stay healthy.
Do you drink water after jogging?
Yes, I drink plenty of water.
Do you wear sports shoes?
Yes, they're comfortable.
Do you enjoy exercising with friends?
Yes, it's more fun.
Have you ever joined a marathon?
Yes, once last year.
Do you exercise every season?
Yes, all year round.
Do you like cycling?
Yes, I enjoy it.
How do you stay healthy?
I exercise and eat healthy food.
Do you feel tired after running?
A little, but I feel great afterward.
Do you exercise before breakfast?
Yes, most mornings.
Can exercise reduce stress?
Yes, I think it helps a lot.
What's your favorite place to exercise?
The local park.
Do you exercise when you're busy?
Yes, I make time for it.
Do you like sunny mornings?
Yes, they're perfect for jogging.
Do you check your steps every day?
Yes, on my phone.
Do you warm up before exercising?
Yes, always.
Do you enjoy fresh air?
Yes, especially in the morning.
How many days a week do you exercise?
7 days a week.
Do you encourage others to exercise?
Yes, I do.
Do you feel stronger now?
Yes, much stronger.
Have you been exercising for a long time?
Yes, for several years.
Do you enjoy running in the park?
Yes, it's peaceful.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
Jogging.
Do you exercise in hot weather?
Only early in the morning.
Do you exercise in winter?
Yes, I do.
Do you think walking is good exercise?
Yes, it's very healthy.
Do you exercise to lose weight?
No, I exercise to stay fit.
Would you like to jog together tomorrow?
Yes, I'd love to.
Who do you usually exercise with?
I usually exercise with my friend.
Does jogging make you feel happy?
Yes, it always improves my mood.
Will you go jogging tomorrow morning?
Yes, I will. It's part of my daily routine.
Do you enjoy an active lifestyle?
Yes, it makes me happy and healthy.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.